We get clients that come to us all the time and say, look, I'm working 50, 60, 70 hours a week. Should I be getting overtime or not? And then we start to talk to them about what their job is, and it turns out oftentimes they are. My name is Adam Gonnelli, and I'm an employment attorney. There are a few things you need to know about whether or not you get overtime. Now, the first issue, of course, is you need to be working over 40 hours a week. But more importantly, we need to know what it is you're actually doing. A lot of clients come to us and they say, well, I'm a professional or I'm a manager. And it turns out they're really not under the law. That's what we call a misclassification problem, which is where an employee is wrongly considered to be exempt from getting overtime when they actually should be getting paid overtime. Common examples: an assistant manager who's doing the same type of work that the hourly employees do. Sweeping the floor, helping customers, working the cash register, stocking shelves, and so forth. Another example: computer repair people and technicians. Computer programmers are exempt and they're not supposed to get overtime, but a lot of people who work with computers are. Yet another example are people who work in finance. A lot of people say, well, I work in finance, so I'm not entitled to overtime. That's not true. In the financial world, we see a lot of people who are misclassified. In banks, we see, for example, mortgage officers, loan officers, personal bankers, business bankers, all sorts of people with titles like that who many times should be getting overtime but really aren't. If you think you fall into one of these categories, here's what I want you to do. Pick up the phone and give us a call. We deal with these issues all the time and we're happy to help. I'm Adam Gonnelli and I'm an employment attorney. Thanks for listening and have a great day.